What the heck are you doing, Tig? Holy smokes. Let's see the bag after Tig's done with it. Looks like it got shot by a machine gun. Oh, watch out. Here he goes. Tig, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. It's just a bag. It's just a bag. It's just a bag. Can I have this bag? Oh. Can I have this bag, please? Can I have this bag, please? Tig, can I have this bag? Tiggy, I need the bag. Tiggy, I need the bag.